Hello class 6, welcome to Adult Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 3.6 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. A common factor is a number by which two or more different numbers can be divided without leaving a remainder. In other words, two or more numbers have a common factor if they both are exactly divisible by the same number. The number 1 is a factor of every number. Co-prime numbers is a set of numbers or integers which have only one as their common factor. Also, there should always be two numbers in order to form co-primes, as co-primes are always considered as pairs. The highest common factor or HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor. The HCF of two or more than two numbers can be found by prime factorization of the numbers. Consecutive odd numbers are odd numbers that follow each other in order, such as 1, 3, 5, 7. Similarly, consecutive even numbers are even numbers that follow each other in order, such as 2, 4, 6, 8. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. So in this exercise, we will learn how to find out HCF. So let's begin. A. 18, 48. So here are two numbers and we have to find out HCF of these two numbers. So first of all, we will do prime factorization of 18 and then 48. 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. 48. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So, prime factorization of 18, 2, 3 and 3. 48, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now we have to find out common factors. So here 2 common and this 3 is also common. It means HCF is equal to 2 into 3. It means 6. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 48, 6. Answer. B. 30, 42. So we have to do prime factorization of 30 and 42. So here prime factorization of 30, 15, 3 5s are 15. Next one is 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21. So 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. These three numbers. Coming to 42, 42, 2 3 7. 2 3 7. And here 2 and 3 also. So HCF is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Therefore, HCF of 30 and 42 is equal to 6. Answer. C. 18, 60. So let's do prime factorization of 18 and then 60. 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Now 60, 2, 30, 15, 3 and 5. So 18 is equal to 2, 3, 3 and 60 is equal to 2, 2, 3, 5. Now we have to find out common factors. Common. So HCF is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 60 is equal to 6. Answer. D. 27, 63. So let's do prime factorization of 27 and then 63. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So prime factorization of 27 is equal to 3 3 3 and 63 is equal to 3 3 7. Here 3 is common, 3 is common also. So HCF is equal to 3 into 3 because there are 2 common. Therefore HCF of 27 and 63 is equal to 9. Answer. E. 36, 84. So let's do prime factorization of 36 and 84. 36, 84. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and in the last 3 1s are 3. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. But this one will not impact prime factorization. So prime factorization of 36, 2 2 3 3, 2 2 3 3 and 84, 2 2 3 7, 2 2 3 7. Now common, 2 is common in both sets, one more 2 and 3. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 common, 2 common, 3 common is equal to 2 to the 4, 3 is a 12. Therefore HCF of 36 and 84, 36 and 84 is equal to 12. Answer. F. 34, 102. So do prime factorization of 34 and 102. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So prime factorization of 34 is 2, 17, 102 is equal to 2 into 3 into 17. So common is 17 is also common. So HCF is equal to 2 into 17, 34. Therefore HCF of 34 and 102 is 34. Answer. G. 70, 105, 175. So here are 3 numbers and we have to find out common factors of 70, 105, 175. After that we will find out HCF. So 70, 105, 175. 2, 35, 5 7s are 35. You all know divisibility rule also. 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35. Last one is 175. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So 5 7s are 35. So prime factorization of 70 is equal to 2, 5, 7. 105 is equal to 3, 5, 7. Last one is 175. 5, 5, 7. Now see which number is coming in 3 sets here. 5, 7. So here 5 and 7 are common. HCF is equal to 5 into 7, 35. Therefore HCF of 70, 105, 175 is equal to 35. Answer. H 91, 112, 49. So let's do prime factorization of 91, 112 and 49. So 91, 112, 49. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Now 49, 7 7s are 49. So 91 is equal to 7 into 13. 112 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Last one is 49 is equal to 7 into 7. Here you can see that only 7, this 7 is common. This one. So HCF is equal to 7. Therefore, HCF of 91, 112 and 49 is equal to 7. Answer. I 18, 54, 81. So let's do prime factorization of 18, 54 and 81. So 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Last one is 81. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Last one is 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now check common numbers. So 3 is common. One more 3 is common here. So HCF is 3 into 3, 9. Therefore, HCF of 18, 54 and 81, 18, 54 and 81 is equal to 9. Answer. J 12, 45, 75. So let's do prime factorization of 12, 45 and 75. So 12, 45, 75. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25. So prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. These 2, 2 and 3. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Last one is 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Now check common numbers here. 3. Only this 3 is common in 12, 45 and 75. So HCF is equal to 3. Therefore, HCF of 12, 45 and 75 is equal to 3. Answer. Question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers, even numbers and odd numbers? Consecutive means the numbers are in sequence. 55, 56. Consecutive numbers. 99, 100. Consecutive numbers. 500, 501. Consecutive numbers. So, A part is numbers. So, the HCF of any two consecutive numbers. Suppose I am taking 3 and 4. So, 3 and 4. Prime factorization of 3. 3, 4, 2 into 2. So, here only one is common. It means one is HCF of two consecutive numbers. The HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1. For example, 6 and 7. So, prime factorization of 6, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3. Coming to 7, 7 1s are 7. 6 is equal to 2 into 3 into 1. 7 is equal to 7 into 1. So here only one is common. It means HCF of any two consecutive number is always 1. Answer. B. Even numbers. So two consecutive even numbers are 8, 10, 22, 24, 98, 100. So these numbers are consecutive even numbers. So the HCF of two even consecutive numbers is, here we have to find out. Suppose I am taking example of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are two consecutive even numbers. So 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1, 6 is equal to 2 into 3 into 1. So 2 is common here, 1 is also common. So HCF is equal to 2 into 1, it means 2. Here answer is 2. For example, we have already here done it. So if I take another example, then we will get again the same answer. Suppose I am taking example of 10 and 12. 10 and 12, two consecutive even numbers. Prime factorization of 10 and 12. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. It means 10 is equal to 2 into 5 into 1 and 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Again you can see that 1 is common here, 1 is common. So we can find out that HCF is 2 into 1, which is 2. Answer. It means whenever we have two consecutive even numbers, the HCF will be always 2. 2. C. Odd numbers. So we have to write down first two consecutive odd numbers. So 13, 15 are two consecutive odd numbers. 19, 21, two consecutive odd numbers. 3, 5. These all are example of two consecutive odd numbers. So here the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is, this one we have to verify here. So if I am taking example of 3 and 5, 3 into 1, 5 into 1, so 1 is common. 19 and 21, 19 is equal to 19 into 1, prime factorization of 21, 3 into 7 into 1. So here only 1 is common. Here verified, it means the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is always 1. Example. Here we have taken example 3 and 5. Now I am taking example 7 and 9. 7 and 9 are two consecutive odd numbers. So 7, 7 1s are 7, 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 7 is equal to 7 into 1. 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 1. Here we can check that only 1 is here common. It means HCF is equal to 1. Answer. Question number 3. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? The number is given 4 and 15. Do the prime factorization of 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Coming to 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So prime factorization of 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1, and of 15 3 into 5 into 1. In our question, the HCF is 0 given, but here we can see that 1 is common here. So HCF is equal to 1. It means no. The answer is not correct. The correct answer is this one. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.